The toughest jobs don't start with motion. They start with what makes motion possible. At Tenaris, we produce high-performance, seamless steel tubes that form the core of hydraulic cylinders, enabling motion in the most demanding industrial applications. Our approach combines technical expertise, vertically integrated production, and product customization to support customers from concept to final component. Demand analysis and production planning enable just-in-time deliveries to our customers. Through our fully integrated global network, we ensure security of supply and manufacturing excellence at every step of the process. From defining the steel's chemical composition to delivering the finished component. In our European mills, steelmaking and tube rolling are carried out under carefully controlled conditions, ensuring metallurgical consistency and process reliability. At Costa Volpino production plant in Italy, we manufacture a wide dimensional range of cold draw tubes, up to 400 millimeters external diameter, engineered for high fatigue resistance and long service life. To support our customers, our European component centers provide value-added services such as cut-to-length, skiving and roller burnishing, precision machining, and welding assembly. Our decarbonization and sustainability strategy is aligned with European regulations, helping our customers move toward a lower carbon future. Tenaris, the trusted partner for hydraulic cylinder applications. Because when the toughest jobs begin, they begin with us.